Hello friends, this is Morifat Hussain with another video on human heart, which everybody knows that it is a pumping organ. But before starting our new video, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest notifications regarding my videos. So today's topic is heart, and this is the plastic model of human heart, which is a very important organ, and this organ uh, is specifically dealing with the pumping of blood around all parts of the body. So this is called this is called as a pump of life, because throughout the life the blood is pumped through this very organ. It is a very vital organ. Before starting its structure in detail, let me give it as key points which are related with the structure of heart. This heart, this is it is whenever anybody will go into the medical college, he will simply study it by the name of core, core, not by the heart. Both the things, it means they convey the same meaning. Talking about its structure, heart is made up of special type of muscles. They are called cardiac muscles, and these cardiac muscles have got a very peculiar feature, very distinct feature, that they never get stressed, they never get tired. And with the passage of time, these cardiac muscles, they weaken when a person grows very old, and they weaken, and ultimately it leads to the various diseases, coronary artery diseases, or heart arrest or heart attacks. So this was this. And after that, moving on the structure of the heart, this broadly, this heart structure can be, first of all, before discussing the parts of this heart, let me tell you here that the structure which you are seeing here, this one which I am picking in my which I am showing with my finger, this is actually superior vena cava. Superior vena cava is that part of the heart which actually takes deoxygenated blood from the upper parts of the body. And after that, I will like to tilt this model of heart, and I will show you. That was the superior vena cava, and this one is the inferior vena cava. This one is the inferior vena cava. This is that vein which actually takes blood towards the heart, but it takes deoxygenated blood again, and from the lower parts of the body. And this heart has principally got 4 chambers or 4 parts. And I would like to open the covering of this model. This part, it is called right atrium. This is called right ventricle. This is called left atrium, and this is called left ventricle. And the structures which you are seeing here, they are just like I am pushing them with my fingers, and they are going up and down. These are actually the structures which are called Chordae Tendineae. These are Chordae Tendineae. What is actually the function of these Chordae Tendineae? These actually hold the muscles of the valves very tightly, so that, for example, when blood comes from this part of the atrium, when it moves through the tricuspid valve, after that it becomes important that these valves should be kept stretched upwards, and this performs that function. This is called Chordae Tendineae. And after that, here let me tell you again, this is right atrium, this is right ventricle, this is left atrium, and this is left ventricle. And after that, if I will again try to put this cover on to complete my structure of heart, and this part of the heart, this is called as apex of the heart, and it has got a dissection line here. You can see this one, and it divides actually heart into 2 equal compartments, and we actually call this as it is called as simply atrioventricular sulcus. This atrioventricular sulcus which divides these. And one of the important thing about this heart which I forgot to tell you, that the structures actually here, these are right atria and these are ventricles. The right atria, overall this whole compartment of the atria, it is bigger as compared to these ventricles. Actually, when blood comes into these areas of the atria, After that they go through this tricuspid valve, and from tricuspid valve there is actually there originates next pair of arteries. They take this deoxygenated blood to lungs. After oxygenation of the blood is brought back, and it is actually thrown into this part of the heart. After throwing blood into this part of the heart, this blood actually enters into this column, and ultimately here is the aorta. Aorta takes blood back to but that blood is now oxygenated blood, because when these coronary pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, they take this deoxygenated blood to their lungs, and there they get oxygenated. We call that as a pure blood. And after that, the branches of those pulmonary arteries, they come here in this region, and the blood is simply pumped here, and ultimately here is an aorta, a largest artery which is situated in the heart, and that carries this oxygenated blood to every part of the body. Thank you very much. I hope you will have got a simple idea. I have made this video in order to have a superficial idea about the heart, and the scientific study of this heart, it is called cardiology. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you very much.